Hey guys, King Size Customs. I'm not going to keep doing these videos steadily. I'm going to take a little bit of breaks in between, but again, I'm kind of stuck for what I can put up content wise. I don't have a lot, so I might start going back to, and I only really did one, but like car reviews. But it's getting there. Everything just needs a couple of coats because it kind of drinks the paint. But if you look at the wall, there's a little bit better detail there. I will sand out this little piece here. This piece right here. That's going to get sanded off. But it's looking a little bit better. The roof is coming out great. So now I just have to do the top, and then I want to do the parking lot, the interior, which the interior is going to be a bit of a challenge, but not too much. I plan on making, like I did with the garage diorama a long time ago, I plan on kind of using some photos and cropping and resizing things, and having a bathroom and having it look like it actually is a Burger King. I will also add a support pillar and paint that white as well as the other one. You get such a good view of the interior here that it'd be a shame not to put an interior in this place. Those are the holes from the sign. This is the roof part that had just been painted, so we'll let that dry off and I'll go back to it. But it's been a fun time. I'm having fun painting this. Garage just brought up about spray painting it, and as you guys know, a lot of my spray paint cars, you lose the detail. I was surprised about the Bronco where you didn't lose the detail. But just a little bit of an update here. Sign's going to stay. I might take this speaker box. I know I want to take the speaker box here. As you see my finger, that speaker box there, and I want to relocate it, but I'm not sure. Maybe have some menus somewhere. But it's a nice kit from the 80s, but it needed some work. There's another fresh wall. You can still see some of the brick detail. The sidewalk's going to get a nice repaint because we have some white paint on our sidewalks, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, it takes multiple coats and a little bit of sanding and a little bit of time. I kind of want to make the windows pop by detailing the frames in black. Doors, of course, are going to be black, but that's really how I remember my Burger King looking. And then I'll also do a video on the parking lot, and we'll have some nice diecasts to look at in the parking lot. But I found a car that fits in the drive-thru, so be on the lookout for that. This will also be great for some stop-motion movies. All right, guys, I'll see you later.